Welcome back to Tech Upside. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys the best options broadcast of 2022. Okay, so in case you are actually looking for the best options broadcast which you are going to make use of, then watch this video to the end, because those ones I'm going to show you guys are the trusted, and I've been in the industry for more than years now. Okay, so kindly watch this video if you want to know more about it. Please don't forget, if actually this is your first time watching my video here on YouTube and you haven't yet subscribed, I'd like you to take just 5 seconds of your time, hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the bell so that each time I upload a new video here on YouTube, you will be the first to get notified. Okay, so in order for me not to waste your time, let's get started now. So let me quickly dive into my browser. Okay, for those of you, I make use of Yandex browser. In case you don't have it, you can also make use of Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Menu, or any other browser which you prefer. Okay, so um I'll go ahead and search for Iron Tweet. Okay, Iron Tweet. Then once we search on it, the first, this is not their site. Okay, search for irontweet.com. Okay, so this is their site. Let's go and see how their site looks like, why they are the best options broadcast. Okay, so actually I love their platform, I love everything about them. They are easy and well trusted. They have the customer care 247. Okay, so for those of you looking for options brokers, then I am going to recommend you Iron Tweet. Okay, Iron Tweet is the number one options brokers which you need to make use of. So in case you want to sign up with them, then you can easily and quickly go over by hitting the sign up button. Okay, so let's do it and see how it looks like. Okay, so I'll guide you guys step by step on how you can create an account with them now. Okay, so first thing you need to do if you don't have an account with them is click on the keyword that says sign up. Okay, after don't have an account, click on the keyword that say sign up. So once you click on it, put in your Gmail over here. Okay, in case you don't have an email, then you can go over to Google and create one. Okay, in case you don't have in case you don't have a Gmail, then you can quickly and easily go over to Google, then create one for yourself using your phone number. Okay, so once you are done, come back here and put your Gmail there. Then you are going to require to fill your country. Okay, since in this case I am from Nigeria, so I'll go over and put in Nigeria as my country. Okay, so for this one here, phone number, you choose your own country USD code. Okay, sorry, you are going to choose your own country code for phone number. Okay, so me, I am from Nigeria, so I'll go over and put in the +234 as my own die code. Okay, so in case you are from United States, Peru, any other country, then you can search your own country here and put in your own die phone number code. Okay, so once you are done with that one, all you need to do is just create is just to create a password for yourself, a strong password which you know nobody can guess it. Okay, so once you are done, just tick on this two box here, just tick on this two box here, then you are going to confirm that you are not a robot. Then after all what you need to do is to hit on the register, and boom, your account will be successfully created. Then they are going to send you an email in your inbox for you to actually confirm that you are not that your email is valid in this case. Okay, so you are going to go to your Gmail, then click on the link they sent to you and verify that your email is active. Okay, so in case you don't want to go through all this process I told you guys, then you can easily and quickly sign up with them with your Facebook account or your Google account. Okay, so that is all. Actually, once you are done signing in, then you can start to trade with your demo account to test how their market works. Okay, so they have more than 70 access on their site. Okay, so they have the currency pairs and indexes, stocks and commodities. Okay, so you can go over and start practicing and see how their site their own works. Okay, so you can get more skills there, get more skills before you deposit a real money and start trading. Okay, so you can get their app on Google Play Store or Apple Store um if you haven't yet download their app. But in case you still want to make use of their site doing trading, then good for you, you can go over and start trading with their on their website. Okay, so I think I have said a lot today. Please don't forget, in case if this is your first time watching my video on YouTube, and you haven't yet subscribed, I'd like you to take just 5 seconds of your time, hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the bell so that each time I upload a new video on YouTube, you will be the first to get notified. Thanks for watching. See you next on my next